Welcome to 1295 Falling Water Lane, where you will find this beautifully updated brick home with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. There is engineered hardwood floors in the foyer, great room, and hall. The great room has a tray ceiling, a gas fireplace, and 2 sun tubes. The kitchen has a tile backsplash, Corian countertops, double ovens, and stainless appliances. The hall bath has a beautiful vanity and tile flooring. The master bath has dual sinks, a soaker tub shower, and nice lights. The home has a lovely screened porch, a fenced yard, a 2-storage building, a putting green, and more. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The foyer greets you upon entering the front door of this lovely home. It has engineered hardwood floors and measures 11 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 8. The great room has engineered hardwood floors, a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, 2 sun tubes, and measures 20 feet 9 inches by 14 feet 4. The dining room has engineered hardwood floors, an arched window, chair railings, and measures 11 feet 4 inches by 10 feet 10. The eat-in area of the kitchen has ceramic tile floors, a large arched window, a vaulted ceiling, chair railings, and measures 11 feet 4 inches by 7 feet 3. The mud area is located off the kitchen. The kitchen has Corian counters, tile backsplash, stainless appliances, ceramic tile floors, and measures 14 feet by 11 feet 3 inches. The hall to the bedrooms is located off the great room and has engineered hardwood floors.